I have a decent bit of bikes behind me, and while yes, I could always inflate everything with the classic bike pump, sometimes it's nice to have something that you can plug into your air compressor to save time and give you better accuracy. And that's what I have with this one that GERCHWAY sent me to do a review on. So cool thing is it has the standard fitting that goes to all of your air hoses, and we have it ready to rock right out of the box. You turn it on and you can see that it'll do a bunch of different units for your air pressures, and if you don't like the light, well, you can turn it off. I like having the light on, and it shuts off if you're not using it. We also have this bit right here to make sure that this isn't just flopping around wherever, and that's one of the other nice features that we have here too. So it has a dual fitting right here. It'll lock into place so that you're not losing your air, but it'll do your standard traders or Prestas like I have here, or if you have ball pumps or whatever, they have the fittings for all that too. So I'm gonna plug it into the compressor, and we're just gonna show just on my finger because these are already pumped up. All right, so we're just gonna go right here and gonna pump it up. And as you pump it up, it's going to read that. And now we see we don't have any PSI. So let's say 14 is too much and I want to go a little bit lower. I can just tap this. And it's going to let it out nice and slow, or however fast you want it to, so that it can build that up, so that you can get more precision out of whatever you want with your air pressure. So if you're looking for a better way to pump things up for yourself, then I highly recommend going with tire pressure, digital tire pressure gauge and filler like GERCHWAY sent me.